What's cracking, YouTube? We back. Bro, back up, bro. I'm finna move the car. I'm finna get the Chevy out.
In that house and shot me with that water gun in the head.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I barely said that. Okay. All right. Okay.
You know I don't feel well.
All right, you gotta tell people about your car, though, bro.
I don't know about it because I've been sick. And you come in there messing with me.
All right, let me move the charge out the way so I can jump in the Chevy. Yes, you is. My shoes over there and everything.
Took my TikTok. I was minding my own business.
Don't worry about it. All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to cut y'all back on, bro. She done ran me out my shoe. I'm finna go get me some more water. I was finna take her to get her hair done. I ain't taking her punk ass nowhere, no. So I'm holler back at y'all in a minute. All right, guys. I done got rid of Danny and the water gun for right now. About to pull the Chevy out of here in a few minutes. Gonna jump in traffic and everything, but I've been out here messing with these lights. Think I might have got them fixed. I went and got some JB Well. I took those pieces out. I'm gonna let them sit a little bit longer. They've been out here about an hour now though. I JB Welled them back. Some of it gonna get pretty tough. Say it's supposed to work. I don't know. We're gonna see. Like it holding pretty good. Don't y'all talk about my car peeling like a snake either. But yeah, man. Try to get these back lights together, man. Probably what I'm gonna do with this, I'm probably gonna get Sprayway to paint them for me. Clean all this up, paint that back black. Probably go over these lights too, man. Yes, right hand side. Alright, and I wired in the back tail lights too, y'all. I took all them wires down there for now. Cause I got a trunk light and another light that I'm gonna get ran also. I wired that in yesterday. So let's see. Got the power cut on. Let me cut the power back on. I've been slowly working. I gotta go get some more bulbs though, because I had to take a lot of them out. A lot of them was blown. See, they working. I had to take them out. They was stuck in, but I done put bulbs in them and they work. I gotta get some more bulbs for this one too. That one blow. That one on that end blow. I gotta get some reverse lights. I think these the reverse bulbs. Yeah, the one in the middle is the reverse. So I gotta get some reverse bulbs. That's the tag light. I got all that wired in, so hopefully I'm stepping on something. Hopefully we got it wired up pretty right, y'all. So gonna cut y'all back on in a minute, man. When I get the shit pulled out, we get in traffic. Maybe we might get out and do something. I'm gonna holler back in a minute. All right. Maddie, hold on. Hold on, Maddie.
Come on. You getting everybody else wet.
Ain't no cut.
You scared.
She what, cuz?
You scared.
Okay, that's enough water in the garage. Back up. All right, y'all. Man, we supposed to been going somewhere, but this has turned into a whole water gun fight, bro. Look at Hayden. Hayden sitting over here with his pistol cocked. Oh! Man, I'm gonna have to set y'all up for a few minutes, man. Man, so you done wet the whole garage up, bro. She won't come. Man, tell her, come out, quit being scared. Oh, Lord. Yo, shit. right down. Oh, Lord, my baby. Baby, you all right?
Y'all was talking shit then that glizzy jam.
Nigga.
You shooting that old goddamn high point.
Cuz. What happened to my baby, man? You all right, babe? Get up, babe. Damn, man, you got a big ass pistol. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute, man. Alright, guys, we through with the water gun fight. Now we're finna go to the beach. We're gonna see what we can get into. Guess we're going to see the fireworks. Yo. Ooh. We gotta go get some gas. Pretty much. Alright, y'all, we done made it to the beach. Y'all see that? Huh? You should be able to turn that way. I think I should be able to go down there and park. There's so many people out here. Think I was just pulling somebody over. You think they ain't going for it? There's a lot of boats and shit out there to dip tonight too. You see all of them out there in the water?
Oh.
Alright, man. I need to find somewhere to park. I ain't never seen that many people down this way. I know the other way is loaded down that way. But they got here fishing pole and everything.
Fishing?
I guess if I go fishing, girl. Man, we get out the road for y'all get bumped. Alright, y'all, we done found us somewhere to park.
It's right there.
Yeah, it's a lot of them down there. It's gonna be down that way. Down there, when you be that close to it, you can feel them songs going. They boom, boom, boom. Brian, you got you a good nap? Let me see your shade, girl. Woo. What you say? Yeah, they got the big fireworks down there. That's why I ain't go close to them. Cause when you go down there, you can like feel it.
Somebody knocking on the door.
There's a lot of boats out there.
Daddy, who popping the fireworks?
I don't know, girl. You see it?
That's a big one right there.
Yeah, they got some big ones going on out there. Yeah, right.
I do.
Got a cool breeze out here tonight. Huh? Say what? Should have brought the blanket and sat on it. You want to go get the blankets on there? Huh?
I won't sit down.
Say what?
I won't sit down. My legs hurt all.
By the time we... You ain't gotta do my boy like that. Big firework. You see the big firework, babe?
Yeah.
Girl, we had a good time today. We played in the water. We ate up some hamburgers. Woo-hoo.